I get asked about transcription jobs more than any other type of job on my channel, and things have changed a lot in the past 5 years. If you type transcription jobs on YouTube, you will see people saying you can make $63 an hour with no skills, $5,000 a month, $30 an hour, no experience, $42 an hour, no experience, $1,000 a week. These are all lies, okay? You cannot make that kind of money doing the types of transcription jobs that these YouTubers are going to talk about. I'm going to talk about these exact transcription jobs, give you the reality of this situation, and talk about if it's worth it to get into transcription and what some alternatives are now that AI is such a booming industry. The first company we're going to talk about is Scribby or Scribby.com. They hire freelance transcriptionists. However, if you go on their website, you can see that they have a temporary pause on hiring new freelancers, and that's because they are migrating their system to Scribby.ai. Now, the fact that they have changed over or are changing over to Scribby.ai shows that they're going to be offering AI-generated transcripts that are verified by human transcribers. So AI can help transcriptionists because you basically just have to edit an AI-generated transcript. However, if you go to their website, they say they have over 50,000 certified transcribers, and on this new website, there is nowhere to apply. Now, many years ago, I did the test to get into Scribby to see what it was actually all about, and I passed, so I still have an account. But if I log on to my account right now, you can see there's no transcription files available. I looked yesterday, no transcription files available. You can see here files are available on a first-come, first-served basis. I haven't seen any files on here all week long. So at the moment, it doesn't look like they're hiring, and I'm not seeing a lot of work or any work available. The next company is TranscribeMe. This is one that's talked about a lot. This is a legitimate company, and if you go to transcribeme.com/freelancers, it looks like you can apply because you can create an account. However, I do not believe the exam is available right now. Back in 2020, you can see I passed the exam, but here it says the English entrance exam is closed until further notice. So again, it looks like they have enough transcribers right now, and this is not one I would suggest applying to because it doesn't look like they're hiring. Okay, let's move on to the third company, which is GoTranscript. Now, GoTranscript hires people for over 40 different languages, so if English is not your first language, you may consider getting a transcription job transcribing your native language. If we click here on Apply Now, you can see that they are not currently accepting new English transcribers. However, if you click here where it says Select Language, let's say your native language or you speak another language, I'm going to click on Arabic. You can see that there are 39 jobs available right now. French, 20 jobs. German, 35 jobs. Hindi, 42. So if you are interested in applying to be a transcriptionist in a different language, you can go ahead and click Apply Now and go through their process. And one thing I want to note is right here it says that you can earn up to $1.11 per audio or video minute. Now that up to is very important because a lot of times the average rate for many of these companies will be around 50 or 60 cents. And it's so important that this means per audio minute transcribed. So this is not per minute of your time, this is per minute transcribed. So if someone says you're going to make $20 an hour transcribing, they mean per audio hour. And it could take you several hours to transcribe one audio hour. This is very important, and it's something that a lot of YouTubers don't talk about when they make these crazy claims. However, this is a company that does pay if you are able to get in. Next company is crowdsurfwork.com, and this one on their website, it says that they are always hiring new transcribers. However, I've received a lot of comments from subscribers saying that they applied, they got accepted, they passed the test, and then they never got their login credentials. So I don't want you to waste all this time applying, getting in, and then not having any work. So I actually got in many, many years ago, and you can see right here that there are almost no jobs available. So I think that they have enough transcriptionists right now, and this is not one that I'm going to recommend you apply to. Next company is Casting Words, and they say that they are currently accepting new accounts from freelancers located in the United States only. Previously, they used to hire worldwide, I believe. However, once again, bad news. I was accepted into Casting Words a few years ago, and I still have my freelancer account with them. You can see there is no work available. And oftentimes, the work that is available, you can't even access because it's only for advanced transcriptionists who have done enough jobs to qualify for those tasks. So I've seen a lot of subscribers get in, take the test, they get accepted, they're excited, and then they have no work available to them. So once again, I don't want you to waste your time taking tests if you're not going to have any work at the end of it. After all that bad news, let's talk about a company that is hiring, Rev.com. Rev is currently hiring freelancers. With Rev, you can either apply to be a transcriptionist or a captioner. In my experience, it is easier to get accepted as a captioner. I took both tests. I got accepted as a captioner, and as a transcriptionist, it was my second time applying that I got accepted. You can see the range of pay, and bear in mind, this is how much you will earn per audio or video minute that you transcribe, not per minute of your time. And it might take you 3 to 4 times the length of a file to transcribe it in full. In order to be able to apply to Rev, you have to be from these countries here. And if you are not from one of these countries, you might consider a different job within Rev, which is foreign language subtitling. So you could go to rev.com/freelancers/subtitles and apply here if you have any translation skills. So what's it look like once you get accepted into Rev, and are there jobs available? As you can see here, yes, there are jobs available. I've been looking every day this week just to be able to update you for this video and let you know there are jobs constantly available in Rev. For example, this one here is a 50-minute file. The pay is 59 cents per audio minute. So you would earn almost $30 US for transcribing this file. Once again, remember, a file that's 50 minutes long, it could take you 3 hours to transcribe depending on how fast you are. So of all of your standard transcription websites that you find online and that YouTubers talk about, Rev is probably the best one because there is consistent work. However, it's going to take you a long time to make a small amount of money. So if you are living in a country where the cost of living is high, this is not even minimum wage, okay? This is something you need to keep in mind. You'll be lucky if you're making $5 an hour in a job like this. And there are 2 other companies I want to quickly mention. However, they only hire applicants within the US or who are from the US. This is Allegis Transcription and also 3Play Media. Okay, so if you're from the US and you're interested in either of these, you can apply and check these out. So the landscape of transcription has changed so much in the last 5 years because AI tools are more powerful than ever. Anyone can use something like Whisper AI to transcribe text files to audio, and so the majority of people are preferring to use an option like that rather than pay someone an hourly rate to transcribe files. So now when you're looking for transcription jobs, rather than going on a platform like Upwork and typing in transcription jobs, you want to change your strategy a bit and perhaps type things related to editing AI-generated transcripts. For example, this job was posted yesterday, AI audio transcript review and update. A lot of people now might use AI tools to generate their transcripts, and then they're going to look for someone to edit that transcript to make sure it's perfect. So you can look for transcription jobs on platforms like Upwork, again, trying different keywords: transcription, transcribing, caption, subtitle, transcript editor, AI editor. And the same applies when you are creating gigs for Fiverr. On Fiverr, you can try to create multiple gigs. Instead of just having a gig that says, I will transcribe your audio or video file, you want to create some gigs that are similar to this person here. I will edit your AI auto-generated transcripts. I will manually edit transcripts. Gigs like this are what people are searching for now because they don't need someone to type word for word. They just want you to quickly review and edit a transcript that they have already used an AI tool to transcribe. When you type in AI transcript editing, there's 354 results, which in the grand scheme of things on Fiverr is actually quite small. So try to change up your strategy, create multiple gigs using different keywords, especially ones related to AI. You can also look on websites like People Per Hour for transcription jobs, and also on LinkedIn. I've been seeing this company pop up quite a bit, looking for AI content editors or AI writing evaluators. And the sad truth is just that the industry is kind of a dying industry. I mean, AI is never going to be perfect, but for the average Joe, a general AI tool is going to do the job. So definitely there are less jobs than there used to be. And I think if you are looking to get into the freelancing industry, you should really start mastering different AI tools because AI is the future and people are going to be looking for people to edit their AI generated images or their AI generated blog posts. If people are using AI to create generic content, they're going to want a professional to perfect that content. And if you want to become a work from home freelancer and don't know where to start, I recommend just going on to Upwork and looking for the kinds of jobs that people are posting. What are people looking for? I think there will be more and more AI related jobs coming up, so it's really important to stay informed and up to date with all of these different AI tools as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of different freelancing tips, how to use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and even how to become a content creator or a YouTuber. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial.